Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mel. If you're new here, we are counting down in the month of November. Every single day I'm going to be out hustling with you. That means I'm doing DoorDash, Instacart, Walmart, Spark, and we're counting down from 4,000. That's my goal to make for the month. We ended last week with 3,421.45 cents. We are working the 8th through the 14th this week. It is already the 9th. Yesterday was the 8th. I took an errand day. I needed a lot of sleep. I needed to get my laundry done and just run all of my errands in one day. So I am productive the rest of the weeks. I also made and edited videos. So that's what I did all day yesterday, but most importantly, I slept and it was much needed. I look forward to starting the day with you guys, and this week, let's see what we can do this week. Last week, we ended up making total $578.55. So my goal this week is also to beat last week. If I can maybe make $600 this week, that would be amazing. But like I said, you guys, in my last video, there is no pressure for me. It's just to hold myself accountable and keep going. And I hope that it inspires you guys to do the same. Tengo que comprar gasolina. In Spanish, that means I bought some gas, y'all. You guys saw the prices. We're saving 14 cents with the Upside app. Make sure you check the description below to save on gas yourself with my link. $71.30, about 15 gallons. First order of the night, you guys. We're going inside. Pickup sticks on DoorDash. $10.50 payout, little over 3 miles. $10.50 was the payout, so we are subtracting from $3,421.45. Our new total is $34,10.95. It's going on like 8 o'clock at night, and I'm feeling just really bummed because I didn't get any orders. I don't know if it's because it's so windy and the weather's goofy, or if I'm not getting a signal, but I can't stand sitting around. It gets you so unmotivated. I'll just have to work extra hard other days, you guys, and maybe go to bed early tonight and get my ass up at 6 o'clock in the morning and just hustle. There's so many different things you could do to just put in the extra effort. Speaking of extra effort, I'm gonna go inside Ralph's. You guys know that I use the app Shopkick. So you go inside the store, you give a list of things that you go scan, and they're worth points. So as you accumulate points, then you get free gift cards. So I choose to use PayPal gift cards. Right now I'm at 1,100-ish. I need 2,500-ish. So I'm gonna go inside Ralph's and scan some items and let you guys know where I'm at. At least I'm doing something and being productive instead of sitting on my butt scratching it. Hi guys, it's a new day. Today is Friday the 10th of this week. Yesterday was the 9th. We made $10.50, and then the 8th is when we started this, just to do a little recap. This week is starting off not so good. I am gonna have to kick it up like 20 notches. The problem is I slept on my shoulder wrong. It's very painful. I'm gonna work through it, you guys, but just to let you know, like, I'm struggling. Sometimes it is super slow on a Friday. Sometimes it's really busy. I'm gonna take what I can get, obviously. And then we have Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then the 14th. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more days to kick some ass. So that's a quick recap of the day. We are starting at $34,10.95. And we got a lot of work to do together. I got my first order of the day. It is 2 customers. We're going inside Walmart, shopping on Instacart. One customer has 15 items. The other has the other half. I'm not sure if this order is going to fit in my car, but I'll make it work because I've been sitting around twiddling my fingers since 9 o'clock this morning, and it's noon. No orders have been coming through. So let's go inside. I'll show you guys how I organize, and let's get her done today. Both of those orders are dropped off, and we are counting it down. Payout was $52.82, and now we're at $33.58.13. My next order, y'all, we're doing DoorDash, going inside Taco Bell. I don't remember the payout or the miles because my brain is shot today. So I'm gonna go inside and see if it's ready. I'll see you guys at the drop off. Payout was $15.50. We're at $3,342.63. We're outside of Walmart at the parking pickup, and I just want to say I had a little meltdown in my car and was crying for a little bit. Good tears, because you guys can see right here, I have been working my butt off to figure out how to be the best YouTuber. So I downloaded a platform called vidIQ to help me with my YouTube journey, as far as like keywords, titles, thumbnails, how to put content together. And the last 2 videos I made, you guys have helped me reach over 1,000 views in just a matter of 3 days. So thank you, each and every one of you that has watched my videos, commented, shared, like. I feel like my YouTube journey is finally paying off, because when you hit over 1,000 views and you've only posted a video for 2 days, to me, I feel like I'm a total baddie, because I see how many views my videos normally get, and progress and growth is so important to me. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And we're at Walmart, so we're picking up 3 orders for. We're picking up an order for 3 different customers. He was trying to give me this chicken in a bag like that, with no bag. We have 1 order in this bag. This is another order right here, and this is another order. DoorDash is turned on. We're going inside Vons. It's not a shopping order, it's just a pickup. There's only 4 things it looks like. It's probably 4 cases of water. Hey, why not? We're gonna go inside and I'll show you guys what that looks like. So DoorDash said this was 4 items, which it's an entire cart of groceries. I did have to go through each bag and open everything, because the sugar, there was a bag of sugar, here it is. This was busted open in the bag. The bread was smushed. This watermelon was open in the bag. You can see underneath here that they don't bother putting the meat in bags. So it's a great time. I shared the cart with you guys because of 2 things. One, I want you to realize as a driver, if you care, all of those things that I mentioned about the cart would have showed up at the customer's door half-assed. These people at the store don't care because they get paid hourly, and most of them hate their job, okay? 2, if you're a customer out there, don't always blame your driver. Showing you guys this so you can understand that if you have ever pointed a finger at your driver, be nice to them and be understanding, because maybe it wasn't their fault. So don't take it out on the wrong person. Knowledge is power. Let's go drop this off. Originally, DoorDash said it was going to be $15, and then it said that plus it expected to be higher. So it was. The payout was $20.26. So now we're at $32.95.51. You know, I restarted my DoorDash acceptance rate in the beginning of the month, you guys, on these orders. That's why you're seeing like the different pays. DoorDash gives you an opportunity to restart your acceptance rate. So I did. And the first 2 days were terrible, and now it's finally picking up. I think it's because I've been accepting orders. So here is my next DoorDash order. Again, you guys can see that it says the pay is going to be higher than what's on the screen. Miles are low. We're going inside an Italian joint and picking up eggplant parmesan, which sounds so good. So I'll see you guys at the drop off. Originally, DoorDash said the payout was going to be $13.75, and then it was going to be a little bit higher, and it was. So it was $14.50. So we subtract that, $32.81.01. Okay, y'all, because I'm old and senile, I don't remember anything. Here's what I do know. I'm going inside Walmart right now and shopping an Instacart order. It should be in and out. I think it's like 14 items, so I have 10 minutes to do it. As soon as I'm done shopping this Walmart order, load up the car. I got to go over to parking pickup because we have to pick that up in 15 minutes. On top of that, Walmart has a special going on right now from 2 to 10 today that if you pick up any orders, you get an extra $5. So, killing two birds with one stone, doubling my money. I'll see you guys inside with the cart. We got the Instacart order in and the Walmart Spark order. See you guys at both drop-offs. The Walmart order is dropped off and the Instacart order is dropped off. They were bing bing right down the road from each other. Walmart order was $11.43. Turns out that the extra $5 is only for the Black Friday deal, so this order was not Black Friday deal, so I don't get that extra $5, which is totally okay. The Instacart order payout was $16.40, so we subtract both orders from our total and we're at $32.53.18. Down to the wire, y'all. Taking this order. Not the greatest, but I like the miles. Quick in, quick out of Walmart on Instacart. Totally forgot a picture inside, you guys, but it's just a few items. Going on 9:30 at night. That order was just dropped off. $11.74 is the payout, so now we're at $32.41.44. Hi guys, it is Saturday, November 11th, day 4 of our 7-day week. Remember, we are ending this week on the 14th and we started on the 8th. The first 2 days, yesterday we made $169.51 together. Today is Saturday and I don't know what to tell you. We're going to do the best that we can. We are starting our day with $32.41.44. My first order of the day, y'all, thrown up on the screen. 3 customers, about 50 items, I think, 10 miles. Nice payout. Oh shit. I forgot my bags. Of course, the one that complains the most doesn't tip at all. $70.74 payout. We subtract that, $3,170.70. Been sitting here for a little bit just waiting for orders. There's not much happening, and my Instacart total from my last order went up. So instead of it being $70.74, it went up to $77.37. The last 2 customers actually tipped nicer. Instead of $31.70, we're at $31.64.07. Y'all, we got 2 orders going on from DoorDash. This is the first one. We're going into the Apollo Greek place, picking up some gyros, and then I gotta head across the street over here and pick up at another joint. $10.75 for one payout, $9.25 for the other. So both of them, like it showed on the screen, said it would be a little bit higher, and they both were. So we subtract those 2 orders from our total and we're at $31.44.07. Next order from DoorDash, y'all. We're going inside Vons, shopping for 6 items. There's the payout. Miles are okay, and I get to go pee. Parked all the way in the back of the lot, right? No cars around me. And then this big ass truck has to park right next to my car, almost blocking me in because, God forbid, if he left me any fucking room. That order was dropped off, you guys. $13.25 was the payout, so now we're at $31.30.82. Another order, you guys. I'll put it up on the screen for you. We're going inside shopping on DoorDash at Vons. I think it was 8 items. Customer added on a $5 tip because I'm the best. I'm just really friendly, you guys. So what was going to be $12.25 is now $17.25. So we subtract that, $31.13.57. I can do this all day, you guys. 4 items, nice payout, in and out. Love it all day. All over $10. Bing, 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 bing. I forgot to show you guys the cart last time, but I'm in a hurry. Sorry. $14.75 payout, so now we're at $30.98.82. Got my next order, you guys. We're doing DoorDash. We're going into Wingstop, picking up an order. Miles and pay are okay. I'm trying to make my way back to where I'm gonna stay for the night. Payout $9, $30.89.82. Okay guys, another DoorDash order. Shopping inside Vons again. We're doing all of the shopping on DoorDash today. I think it's like 6 items in out, and then this is probably gonna be my last order of the night. Payout on that order was $17, so we're looking at $30.72.82. Anyway, let's recap our day, guys. $168.62 is what we made today. I am ending this video today because we have 3 more days left, and if I just keep making videos, this video is going to be an hour long if I keep going. Don't forget, if you guys enjoy hanging out with me, and if you want to hang out with me more, consider subscribing to my channel. But thanks for hanging out with me these last few days. Bye!